Hello friends, I'm Mona Rathi again, and today I'm making coleslaw sandwiches for you. So for that I have taken 2 carrots and I have already peeled them off. And here I have taken 4 full teaspoons of mayonnaise, veg mayonnaise, and 2 parts of cabbage. And then I have taken 1 capsicum. Here I have taken 4 bread slices and some salt and black pepper powder. And so in a bowl we will prepare our coleslaw. So to start with, I have taken 1 capsicum and we want to cut it into 2 halves, and then we'll take out all the inner parts of it, as in the spine and all the seeds and all. See, like this we will remove all the insides of it, like this. And again we'll cut the half capsicum into 2 halves. Now we will cut it lengthwise, as in we'll cut the juliennes of the capsicum. They have to be very thin, as we will be eating them raw. So again I'm going to cut the juliennes into 2 half parts like this, and we'll cut the whole capsicum in the same way. Now we will put the juliennes in the mixing bowl, and now we'll take the cabbage. So again we have to shred the cabbage lengthwise and very thin slices. See, like this. And again we will cut them into 2 parts like this, in 2 halves. And so we'll do the same thing with the whole piece of the cabbage. And here it's ready. And now we will mix the cabbage with the capsicum juliennes in the bowl. Now we will take the carrot, and we have to grate the carrot, and that too in lengthwise. So we will grate the carrot lengthwise. See, like this. And we'll do the whole thing in the same way. Here our grated carrot is ready, so we will mix the carrot into the bowl like this. And now I'm going to mix some salt. So remember people, we have salt in mayonnaise also, so please be very careful in adding salt. And now I'm going to mix pepper powder. It should be as per the taste. And after this I will mix 4 teaspoonful veg mayonnaise in the mixture, like this. And now I will mix the whole thing together. See, like this. And now see, I'm mixing veg mayonnaise, and the last spoon also I'll mix into it. And here I have taken 2 bread slices, and I have already cut the sides of it, and I have applied a layer of coleslaw, and then I'm cutting it into 2 triangles here. So our first type of sandwich is ready. See, it's looking so pretty and so tempting. And for the second type, I have again taken 2 bread slices, and here I'm applying another layer of coleslaw like this. And I'll put another slice over it. See, like this. And now I'll cut the sides, all the 4 sides. By cutting the slides, the sandwich looks very neat. And now I'll put some butter in my pan, and I will apply some butter over the sandwich on one side of the sandwich. And then I will put my sandwich into the pan so that it will become nice and brown and crispy. Now I'll flip over it. See, it's getting brown color. It's looking so yummy. And in the same way, I'm going to flip it over again. See, it's getting such a beautiful color. And our sandwich is ready. So I'll put it in a separate plate first, and now I'm going to cut it into 2 triangles again. See how crispy it has become. And now I'll show you in the plate. See here, both the sandwiches looking so nice. And now I have taken this beautiful iceberg lettuce. I'm going to take out one leaf and show you some coleslaw separately as well on the plate. So see, this is my presentation with both the sandwiches, with butter and without butter. And we'll be needing something to drink as well. So here I've taken some iced tea. You can take some juice and Coke, whatever you would like to have with these sandwiches. So here I've taken iced tea. See, it's looking so nice. The combination is really excellent, and it really tastes very, very yummy. So I think you should make these sandwiches at home. So this is my presentation, and friends, if you like my video, please like and share it, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. And so I will meet you again with a new recipe. Till then, thank you and bye bye.